Hello everyone, Cindy Dunham here, MCO Realty in beautiful Fountain Hills. I'd like to introduce you to my new lot listing on Powderhorn Drive in Fire Rock Estates, which is Fountain Hills' best kept secret, by the way. Conveniently located just south of Shea off of Saguaro, easy to get to. This serene desert lot is 2.15 acres. Beautiful place to build your dream home. There is no HOA, so the restrictions are limited. And I believe you're going to love this setting. If you need any more information, or if you'd like me to walk the lot with you, I'd be happy to. Wear good shoes and some long pants because there's a lot of picky plants out here. So in the meantime, enjoy the video. Thank you.